IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you think people concentrate better now or in the past? Why? Band 5. Answer.
I think people concentrated better in the past because there were less distractions. Nowadays, people are always on their phones and social media, so it is hard to focus for a long time.
Why is this a band 5? Fluency and coherence. Ideas are simple and somewhat repetitive. Lexical resource, limited range. Basic words like things and less. Grammar, mostly simple sentences, some awkward phrasing. Pronunciation, likely understandable, but with noticeable hesitation. Typical of a band 5 gets the point across, but that's about it. Band 7.5 answer.
I believe people concentrated better in the past, mainly because life was less digitally demanding. Today, constant notifications and multitasking make it difficult to maintain sustained attention, even during important tasks.
Why is this a band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, clear, logical progression of ideas. Lexical resource, good range, digitally demanding, sustained attention. Grammar, mostly error-free with some complex structures. Pronunciation, generally clear and natural. Typical of a band 7.5, strong control with only minor slips. Band 9 answer.
In my view, people were generally better at concentrating in the past, largely because their attention wasn't constantly fragmented. Today's environment encourages rapid task switching, which weakens our ability to focus deeply for extended periods of time.
Why is this a band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless flow and sharp organization. Lexical resource, precise and sophisticated, fragmented task switching. Grammar, wide range, used naturally and accurately. Pronunciation, clear, confident, and easy to follow. Typical of a band 9, sounds like someone who actually thinks before scrolling. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.